This is the KBN Championship at Cedar Bluff. Fishing has been absolutely awful. We were cut down to 4 hours today because the wind's supposed to start blowing this afternoon. I don't think it's really supposed to be bad enough that we should have shortened the day, but it's not my call. So, it's not my call. It is what it is. I don't think I can catch, I don't know if I can catch a limit in a full day, the way the lake has been fishing. So, probably won't matter. I really don't think I can catch a limit in 4 hours. I've been here since Wednesday morning, and the biggest fish I've caught is 15.5 inches. I've caught about 2 dozen fish in 3 days of fishing. They're super emaciated and sickly looking. Most of the fish are about that thick, side to side. Except for the carp. The carp are super healthy, and there's a bajillion of those. Don't have the live scope on the boat today because it hasn't made a difference. Stuck to him. Oh, he's 12. He's not. He's not 12. Dang it. How disappointing. About 11. They got to be 12 for this tournament because it's a BASS tournament, so that one doesn't count. Boy, if he's 12, he's barely 12. Man, you sounded so much bigger. Huh? He's 12. 12 3/4 even. 12.75, number one. About an hour in. Oh, no. He's short. He's way short. Dang it. I don't think he's a keeper. Let's go, pro, stop recording. Oh my gosh. Just as soon as it touched the water. He come off. That was a keeper, largemouth. GoPro, stop. Get that back, please. He ain't nothing special, but God, that could be number 4 if I could just keep a freaking fish hooked. Maybe 14, probably 13 and a half, because I ain't seen a fish of any size at all. Oh yeah, I get 14 3/4. Yeah. Come on. Hold still. $14.75. I lost one under that dock, or missed one under that dock yesterday, so maybe that was him. If that's the case, I'm glad I missed him. Oh, it's a bass. Please stay hooked. Please stay hooked. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Biggest one I've caught all weekend. God, that got little limit right there. Stop worrying about it. It doesn't matter. You didn't get those fish. Incher. Whew. Good morning. This is the oh so cold second day at the Kansas Bass Nation Championship on Cedar Bluff. I'm not sitting as good as I thought I was. Jay caught a 19.5 incher right before the end of the day yesterday. So I'm about 19 inches out of second place, or out of first place. I'm actually in fourth place. Not first like I thought. So it's gonna take a miracle, basically. And the way the fishing has been for me, I don't see that happening. But we're gonna give it a shot. I don't know if I'm gonna stay all day. It's 32 degrees right now. I'm freezing. I did not come prepared for this kind of weather. I have thermals on, just some thin, cheap ones. But not anything to deal with this. And of course, rocking the Crocs, which are great cold weather footwear. Whew. Man, yeah, I'm not ready for this. Ugh. How disappointing. Oh, scared the shit out of myself. I thought one just ate my top wire. Well, they want that chance. It's better than I thought he was. Wish I knew more docks that held fish like that one. Just sit here and skip underneath that dock the rest of the day. $18 up from under the same dock as the 19 and 14 and 3/4 yesterday. Might be my only one. I was just thinking about packing up. Jay's pretty much got it out of reach at this point. I think he had 108 inches or something with 3 fish. That's like 70 inches past me, and he can still catch 2 more fish. So, yeah. Be another one. Be another big one. That'll be another one, huh? He came off. God dang it. Gosh dang it. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, I made a ramp change, location change. My big plan here was to fish the boat ramp because there's like always fish on the boat ramp over here. Of course, I got over here and there was a kid fishing on the boat ramp dock right next to the no fishing sign. It's just been a steady stream of boats taking out of the water now since the wind has started to blow. And I thought about going to the dam, but it's going to be just like the worst part of the wind coming across the lake to where I would have to go across. I don't feel like getting wet. I fished the dam twice. I haven't caught anything. Last year it was loaded with fish, but oh no, the lake's kind of beat me down. Not kind of, it's beat me down. I thought I had a bite right back here in a tree on a jig, and I picked it up and there was something spongy feeling on it. I set the hook and there was weight that moved a couple feet and then it stopped and it was fishing line. I don't think there's been a fish submitted since I submitted mine. It's just as bluebird sky, cold front looking as it can possibly get right now. And it feels like it. I don't know, there's a spot back in here. I had a couple bites on a jig in practice the first day on Wednesday. But those are about the last jig bites I had, so. This water spraying it to me feels amazing. super skinny, sickly looking 15. $15.25. Oh no. No. I think that was a fish. It was, and he had it again. Good enough. Oh, we're trying to make this interesting. Trying to make this interesting. Got about 2 hours to get one more bite. We can make one more like that happen. What is it about tree stand trees?
Old tree stand trees just always have fish in them. I don't know why. Okay, 20-incher. One more. We got a limit. Should have it already, but what do you do? Oh, be 12 inches. Be a 12-inch spot. I don't think you are. You're not. You're not even close. Gosh, dang it. $11.25. God dang it! I don't think my GoPro was recording. I thought it was on. I don't know if it got the very last part there. I broke that one off. That was a gift. The fish came up chasing a bait fish right in front of me, and it ate my Ned rig. I didn't see the log that it came off of, so when it dove down, it went under the log and broke me off. And then I ran my Ned rig. The part that I don't think I got on camera, I ran my Ned rig back through the buckbrush. I got bit again, hooked it, and it hung up in the buckbrush and came off. So I lost another one right there in like less than 5 minutes. So I needed one 12-incher to have a chance. That's all I needed to put myself in first from when they shut standings off. And nobody to blame but myself. I had 3 keepers I could have submitted this weekend, and I had all of them hooked. That would have won it, no doubt. There's no chance anybody would have caught me, because nobody caught a limit yesterday. So yeah, frustrating. I mean, if you like like drama. It was dramatic at the end. But hopefully Jay won it. He was leading when they shut off the standings, but it was close. Second place was real close. I was tied for second, but I was in third because of the big bass tiebreaker. That guy had caught a couple big ones there towards the end, so I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Hopefully Jay won, and hopefully he'll go and win the national championship next year. So this is it for the well, I guess there might be Kanza yak still. We might have one or two of those left. Might have some littler kayak tournaments still. This is the last bigger one. Frustrating weekend. Was not fun fishing, but I could have made the best of. If I could have made the best of the bites I had, we could have walked away with the win. Oh well, that's fishing.